From the vibrant heart of Kuala Lumpur to the farthest corners of the nation, the spirit of independence echoes with a resounding call. On this historic day, we commemorate the 68th anniversary of Malaysia's freedom, a day when the shouts of Merdeka rang out from the hallowed ground of Daripada Merdeka. It was on August 31st, 1957, that our first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj, declared the birth of our nation, a moment etched forever in our history. As the sun rises on this momentous day, the city of Kuala Lumpur, a testament to our progress, becomes the epicenter of celebration. The iconic Petronas Twin Towers stand tall and proud, bathed in the national colors of the Jalur Gemilang. Nearby, the majestic Kuala Lumpur Tower lights up the sky, a beacon of our aspirations. The skyline has grown, with new giants like the Exchange 106 and the monumental PMB 100 and 18 Merdeka 100 and 18 joining the celebration, symbolizing Malaysia's continuous journey towards a prosperous future. These landmarks are not just buildings, they are points of pride where families and friends gather to witness spectacular fireworks and cultural performances, united in joy. The theme for this year's celebration, Malaysia M.A.D.A.N.I. Rakyat Disantuni, reminds us that our strength lies in unity and compassion. It is a powerful message that a truly civilized nation is one that prioritizes the welfare of its people, ensuring that every citizen feels valued and cared for. This theme is a call to action, urging us to continue building a society that is not only prosperous, but also inclusive and harmonious. To all Malaysians, this Hari Kemerdekaan is not just a public holiday, it is a mandatory celebration of our shared heritage and a reaffirmation of our collective identity. It is a day to reflect on the sacrifices of our forefathers and to honor the diversity that makes our country so unique. Let us fly the Jalur Gemilang with pride, sing the national anthem with passion, and come together as one big family. Because in every Malaysian, there is a piece of Malaysia's heart. Selamat Hari Merdeka to all Malaysian and Style Fly subscriber.
从吉隆坡充满活力的市中心，到国家的每一个角落，独立的精神以响亮的回声传递。在这个历史性的日子里，我们纪念马来西亚自由的第68个周年。那一天，莫迪卡 Merdeka 僧从神圣的独立广场响彻云蹄。正是在1957年8月31日，我们的第一任首相东姑阿都拉曼宣布了我们国家的诞生。那一刻永远铭刻在我们的历史中。当太阳在这个庄严的日子升起时，吉隆坡这座见证我们进步的城市成为了庆祝活动的中心。标志性的双峰塔骄傲而高耸，披上了国旗辉煌条纹的色彩。在它附近，雄伟的吉隆坡塔点亮了天空，成为我们愿望的灯塔。随追新的巨塔 Rood Exchange 106和具有纪念意义的 PMB 118 Menandakan 118的加入，天际线不断扩展，象征着马来西亚迈向繁荣未来的持续旅程。这些地标不仅仅是建筑，它们是值得自豪的地方。家人和朋友聚集在一起，欣赏壮观的烟花和文化表演，在欢乐中团结一心。今年庆祝活动的主题，苍明大马人民受惠 Malaysia Madani Rakyat di Santuni， 提醒我们的力量在于团结与同情。这是一个有力的信息，即一个真正文明的国家是一个优先考虑人民福祉，确保每一位公民都感到被珍视和关怀的国家。这个主题是一个行动号召，敦促我们继续建设一个不仅繁荣，而且包容和和谐的社会。对于所有马来西亚人而言，这个国庆日不仅仅是一个公共假期，它是一场必须庆祝的盛典，庆祝我们共同的遗产，也是对我们独特多元文化的重新肯定。这是一个反思我们先辈的牺牲，并向使我们国家如此独特的多元性致敬的日子。让我们骄傲地挥舞辉煌、充满激情的唱国歌，像一个大家庭一样团结起来。因为在每个马来西亚人心中，都有一部分马来西亚的心。Merdeka万岁！ Merdeka万岁！ Merdeka万岁！
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit like button to show your support on this channel. Take care and all the best. Don't forget to visit my TikTok and Instagram channel for quick update video. Bye and see you in my next video.